What does a cybersecurity expert do? Ever wondered what a cybersecurity expert does on a day-to-day basis? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the life of a cybersecurity expert, exploring their responsibilities, skills, and the exciting world of keeping our digital realm safe. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video from us. Alright, let's jump right into it. Our journey begins in the heart of the cybersecurity expert's domain, their office. It's a hub of activity where the magic happens. Cybersecurity experts constantly monitor network traffic, system logs, and security alerts in real time. Planning and strategy. Once the day's monitoring begins, it's time to focus on planning and strategy. They develop and implement security policies, ensuring data confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Incident response. In the world of cybersecurity, incidents are inevitable. How do our experts handle them? When a breach occurs, they investigate, contain the incident, and recover lost data. It's like being a digital detective. Vulnerability management. Prevention is key, and that means regularly scanning for vulnerabilities. They identify weaknesses and apply patches to keep systems secure. Security awareness. But it's not just about technology. Employee awareness plays a huge role. Employees must be educated on best practices and their role in maintaining security. Staying informed. In this ever-evolving field, staying updated is a must. Collaboration. Cybersecurity experts work closely with other IT professionals. Collaboration ensures security measures are integrated throughout the organization. And there you have it, a day in the life of a cybersecurity expert. It's a challenging, dynamic, and incredibly important profession that keeps our digital world safe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave us a comment with your thoughts. And of course, subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.